Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel, and my name is Javi. In this video I wanted to talk about when you get tested. When you get tested by your mind, when you get tested by the mind of others in particular, which ends up coming very, very strong, and it becomes a very common thing. Remember who you are. Remember your true present awareness. This is home. This is our true strength. And we see past the illusions of the mind, past the programs. This is when you go into your peace, your eternal peace and unconditional love. Now, you will get tested by your mind. The mind will come and try to take away your peace, your thoughts, your old habits. All these things will happen. But mainly I wanted to talk about when it's the thoughts and the minds of others. When others question your truth. When people persecute you for you being so loving, so open, and they resent that. They see it as fake. They see it as you not being true. Now, the reason I wanted to make this video is because it's been happening to a couple of my friends today. And actually, surprisingly, myself, I've experienced it a lot today actually. From relatives and just a lot of the comments on social media and other platforms, where it's just been people just bombarding me with their doubts, their fears, their judgments, their still mental projections. And we have to be in our space of awareness and understanding that it is not personal. You are not a personal self. You are already just in pure awareness. And they're being personal. They're projecting their personal stuff. And you are just observing it. You are not to let it get to your personal self. That's the point. They want to lure you into their ego so that it can activate your ego and your personal self. And then they say, haha, see, I told you, I got you, I knew it. But you must resist. You must stay in your heart. You must stay unconditionally loving with compassion. Because most of the time, this is just their lesson. Most of the time, this is our lesson as well. To be able to be mature enough and to stay grounded and to stay in your truth. To not falter back. To not get tempted to the mind. And this happened to Jesus. This happened to Jesus when he was fasting, and all the doubts, all the fears, all the questioning came to him. This also happened to Buddha when his mind started making him feel guilty of abandoning his wife and his child to pursue enlightenment, telling him that he was such a selfish person. But he knew it was just the mind trying to grab at him. And these are the tests that you will go through in your journey, and they will reaffirm your truth. They will reaffirm and mature your heart and your true self as your true self. So brothers and sisters, this is a great opportunity for you when this happens. This might be the actual last lesson before you truly become free. You're so close to your pure, true self that everything around you might give you the last test. So, with this, I end this video. Peace be with you. Namaste. Blessings. All is love. Amitabha.